Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to remove a pattern in Photoshop. Step 1, select the shape and see this with effects. Click effects and click pattern overlay. Untick mark this pattern overlay. Remove pattern and opacity 0. Then remove pattern. Click OK. And step 2, see this pattern. Remove this. Click effects or double click, then click color overlay, edit any color or gradient color as you wish, then click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.